Mabuhay diecast enthusiast! Today, we are going to unbox this new package through Shopee. First, you can see that the box is fully packaged. You can obviously see the safety measures that used for shipping this item. This is the tag, and now we are going to unbox it. This is my first package that I received that is covered in a full styro packaging. You see, so much tape just to conceal the item inside. Now we can see that this styro box is open, and we can see that this is from Bburago. So we're going to put it out from that styro box. Can you guess what model is this? Oh, suspense. It's the back side of the box. You can see this is a Star Collection 1:24 scale by Bburago. And as you know, I am a Lamborghini enthusiast. So this car obviously is a Lamborghini. This is the great reveal. Ta-da! Here it is. Obviously you can see what model is this. Let's put it out in the box. Yeah. This is not the first time that I bought